La 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 la.
Big Bird sings.
Hey, you kids! Hey, Wesley! Yo, Emma! Oh, boy, I am in such luck today. And you're in luck, too, because Bird's going to show us something really exciting. He's going to show us his scrapbook. Yeah. Oh, Bird!
Snuffy! Old pal! Oh, and look who's here! Hey, you come on in too! Come on!
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Made it, Bird.
Yeah.
All right, Birdie, where is it?
Right over there, Snuffy.
Oh, wow.
Take a look.
Look at that. It's a scrapbook. I always wondered, Bird.
Well, Snuffy, it says, My Scrapbook by Big Bird.
And you made that all by yourself?
Yes, Snuffy. I put in all my favorite things like pictures of places that I've been, things that I've made, souvenirs.
Oh, wow, the outside is beautiful, Bird. Can we look at the inside?
Snuffy, be my guest.
Oh, boy. This book is a little small for me, Bird. Do you think you could give me a hand?
Oh, you want a little help?
Yeah.
What are friends for? Here we are.
Oh, wow! I wasn't expecting this, Bird.
Snuffy, this is my 4 collection.
Oh, and there's a picture of you holding a microphone. I'll bet you're getting ready to talk about the number 4.
Actually, I'm about to do something else about the number 4.
What's that, Bird?
Sing!
Sing?
Yes, sing like this.
I just adore 4, the number for me. You can't deplore 4, it's less than 5, more than 3. You can have 4 doors or 4 dinosaurs, 4 janitors, or even 4 grocery stores. I just adore 4, the number sublime. I love to draw 4, it's just an angle and a line. I can't get sore 4, it's plain you see. I just adore 4, the number for me. Ah, yes, I used to fret a lot and fidget until I met that dazzling digit. And now you see a brand new me 4. I found a number I can be 4 and count 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just adore 4, the number for me. You can't deplore 4, it's less than 5, more than 3.
You can have 4 floors or 4 army corps,
4 dresser drawers,
or even 4 crashing doors. I just adore 4, the number sublime. I love to draw 4, it's just an angle and a line. I can't get sore 4, it's plain you see. I just adore 4, the number for me.
Oh, Bird, you are so brilliant. I can't wait to see what's in the rest of this scrapbook.
Okay. Snuffy, this is when I went to Japan. Far away from Sesame Street.
As far away as the other side of the park, Bert?
Oh, as far away as the other side of everything. The park, huge mountains, the big ocean. Why, it took a long, long time to get there.
And when you finally got to the other side of everything, what did you do there?
Sing.
Sing?
Yes, it's how I learned to count and say good morning in Japanese.
1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3.
Itchy what?
1, 2, 3. Ohio is good morning.
That's my favorite one.
But 1, 2, 3 is itchy 3 is dozo.
Yes, is hi.
Sayonara means goodbye. Arigato, thank you. Now we're nearly done. And 1, 2, 3 is itchy-san. Now we have an examination.
Oh no, an examination.
Ready?
Well, I'll give it a try.
1, 2, 3
Is itchy-san.
perfectly correct. Oh, question number 1. Ohio.
Good morning, that's my favorite one.
But 1, 2, 3 is itchy-san. Please.
Is dozo.
Yes.
Is hi.
Sayonara means goodbye. Arigato.
Thank you. Now we're nearly done. Backward, Sunny. Itchy is 3, 2, 1.
You have been to so many exciting places, Bert.
Yeah, and when I look at my scrapbook, it brings everything back to me. Now, this was quite a day.
Oh, where are you there, Bert?
In school,
In school?
I was visiting, and I felt kind of shy because I didn't know anyone.
Ah, so you spent the day talking to a wastebasket. Very clever, Bert.
No. I was pretending the wastebasket was a kid so I could practice saying hello. Then I did something that made me feel much better.
What was that, Bert?
Sing.
Sing. I should have guessed.
Okay, you be a kid, and I'll try it on you. Hello, I'm Big Bird. What's your name? My name is Big Bird. What's your name? Is it Joe or Louise? If you know, tell me please. I would like to be your friend. We could play a game. What's your name? Maybe you're a Henry, Mary, Beth, or Faye, Lisa, John, or Dulcie, Emily, or Ray, Judy, Sarah, Norman, Angel, or Jose. Well, even if it's Murgatroyd, I like you anyway. Hello, I'm Big Bird. What's your name? My name is Big Bird. What's your name? I am tall, I can run, I play ball, I am fun, and I would like to be your friend. I hope you feel the same. What's your name? I'm gonna try it. Hi, kids. I'm Big Bird. What's your name?
Alice.
Hi, Alice.
Ricky.
Hi, Ricky.
Vivian.
Hi, Tony. Nico.
Vivian.
Hi, Vivian.
Peter.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Jana. Hi. Gosh, I'm a bird. Can you do this?
Play
I'd love to play jacks. Did you see that? It worked. It worked.
Memories, memories. Ah, here I am in Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Look, China.
Well, you sure get around, Bert. Oh, hold it a minute. I've been there.
Well, yes, it's our playground.
And I'll bet my last cabbage you're not there to slide down the slide.
No, I'm not. I'm there to sing.
I knew it.
Now, you're going to love this, kids, because it's not just a song. It's a guessing game. And you get to guess what the song is about. You ready? Who is a friend right to the end? Who has two wings and even sings? Who has a beak with which to speak? Who? Wait! By songs, not through.
Okay.
Who's always up for having fun? Who could eat birdseed by the ton? Who sleeps the best inside the nest? Who? Wait! My song not through. Who's got the biggest feet you know? Who's got feathers from head to toe? Who's the fellow who's all yellow? Who? Well, haven't you guessed yet?
Big bird, it's you.
You guessed it. It is me. And that's my very favorite song.
I wonder why.
Yeah.